Hello everyone, this is KK Pankaj on your screen. Today we will study about the topic tense. Dear learners, tense means time, and time is divided into three main divisions: present, past and future. So we can say there are three types of tenses: present tense, past tense and future tense. Present tense is subdivided into four parts or four tenses: present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous. Past tense is also subdivided into four tenses: past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous. Future tense: future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect and future perfect continuous. Dear learners, in this video we will discuss about simple present, simple past and simple future. Before we start to study in detail about these all tenses, I hope you all have a notebook and pen with you, so that wherever you think these points are to be written, then you should write. So let's start. Present indefinite. In this tense, we generally express the practice, custom or habit. Examples: he plays cricket every day. This shop opens at 10 o'clock. Now present indefinite affirmative sentences. This is structure: subject, then after that verb's first form will be there, yes or yes and object. He reads a story. If subject is singular, in that case in verb's first form yes or yes will be added. He reads a story. They read a story. I know you very well. Negative sentences. Subject, after that do or does not, then verb first form and object. Does is used with singular noun and pronouns, and do is used with plural noun and pronouns. He does not help me. They do not laugh at him. Boys do not disturb them. Here boys, plural or singular? Very good, plural. That's why do not is used here. He, singular, so does not. Interrogative. Dear learners, you know very well, interrogative sentences are used to ask questions. First of all, do or does will be there. After that subject, then verb's first form and object, and there will be at last there will be a question. Do you write a letter? Why does he weep? When do they play cricket? Why and when, these are here. Why and when, these are question words. Other question words are such as when, where, how, whose, etc. If interrogative sentences start with who, in this type of sentences, auxiliary verbs do or does are not used. Who helps you? Who teaches you? Now past indefinite. Dear learners, this tense is used for actions completed in the past at a definite time. I repeat, this tense is used for actions completed in the past at a definite time. Examples: he met me yesterday. He wrote a letter. It denotes a past habit also. I went to play cricket daily in my childhood. Past indefinite affirmative sentences. Subject, then verbs second form and object. Dear learners, this is the only tense where you will find verbs second form. He wrote a letter. They washed the Jew. She ate the food. Wrote. Can you tell me what is the first form of wrote? Good. Right. And third form? Written. Very good. Now negative. Subject, after that did not and was first form and object. Dear learners, look here. Did not and was first form, but in affirmative sentences we have used here second form. So don't forget, affirmative sentences we will use second form, and in negative sentences there will be first form. I did not help. He did not help me. They did not play with me. I never ate junk food. Interrogative. Subject, interrogative sentences. First of all, there will be did. After that, subject, and then verbs, first form, and object. After that, a question mark. Did he give you a book yesterday? Future indefinite. It is used to describe an action which is yet to happen in the future. We shall go to Lucknow tomorrow. My friend will come here tomorrow. Without using verb in the future indefinite tense, means sometimes future indefinite is used in this way also. You can see, I am going to do my work. Here is no future indefinite auxiliary verbs, but yet it is in future indefinite. Its pattern in by using am, is, are, going, and plus infinitive. I am going to do my work. By using present indefinite tense. Online class starts within an hour. Now affirmative. Subject, after that will or shall, then verbs, first form, and at last object will be there. Shall is used with I and we. With rest all noun and pronoun will be used. They will go there tomorrow morning. He will help me. We shall do it within 2 hours. Future indefinite negative sentences. Subject, then will shall, not was first form and object. We shall not go there. They will not misguide us. Interrogative. Will shall will come first. After that subject, then was first form, and at last object and question mark. Will you help me today? Shall we get books today? Dear learners, on your screen there is an exercise. Try to change these sentences as given to the brackets. Dear learners, I hope after watching this video, from all the 3 tenses which we have studied today, you should on your own you should write at least 15 examples. I repeat, how many examples? At least 15 examples. Thanks for watching this video.